Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essentials: employee ID, exact absence dates, and manager contact. Log into Workday using your credentials and complete MFA. This ensures security and correct permissions. Once done, navigate straight to the time off or absence application pane so you can act now. If you don't see edit options, check your role or ask HR for temporary access. This prevents wasted steps and lets you move directly into correcting entries with accurate context. You locate the exact absence line and click Edit or Correct. This opens the form where changes are applied. Change the date, time, or absence type to match reality and upload supporting documents like a doctor note. Attachment speed approval. Once updated, write a concise reason so approvers understand why the correction is needed. Make sure to hit Submit or Save Draft depending on your process, because that triggers the workflow and alerts your manager automatically. You finish by confirming the submission completed the approval workflow, manager approval followed by HR finalization. Once submitted, check the request history for a confirmation ID and timestamp so there's an audit trail. If the correction fails to submit, troubleshoot by clearing your browser cache, trying an incognito window, or rechecking your role permissions. These simple fixes resolve most UI issues. If that doesn't work, contact HR with the confirmation details so they can manually process the correction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.